Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the functional groups in the starting material. The substrate is 1,1-dimethoxycyclohexane 4-carboxylic acid methyl ester. It contains a kettle, acetal, at C1, 2 OCH3 groups on the same sp3 carbon, and 2 a methyl ester, CO2CH3, at C4. Moving on to the next step. Lyl4 is a strong hydride reducing agent. It readily reduces esters, CO2CH3, to primary alcohols, CH2O. Crucially, Lyl4 does not cleave acetals kettles under normal conditions because acetals are not electrophilic enough for hydride attack. They require acid catalysis for hydrolysis. The kettle at C1, the gem-dimethoxy group, is therefore left intact. Moving on to the next step. The ester at C4 is reduced to CH2O. The kettle at C1 remains as 2 OCH3 groups on the quaternary carbon. This gives a product with the cyclohexane ring bearing 2 OCH3 groups at C1 and a CH2O group at C4. And for the final step, option D shows exactly this. Cyclohexane ring with OCH3 and OCH3 at C1, quaternary gem-dimethoxy carbon, and CH2O at C4. This is the major product. Option A shows partial hydrolysis of the kettle to give 1 O and 1 OCH3 at C1, which would require acidic conditions, not Lyl4. Option B shows a ketone product, which would require oxidation or hydrolysis rather than reduction. Option C shows complete hydrolysis of the kettle to give a free O at C1 plus CH2O at C4, which again requires acid hydrolysis, not Lyl4 reduction. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.